Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable mono audio for your earbuds QCY MeloBuds Pro. You have to start. Firstly I will show you how to do this on Android device, and then I will move to the iPhone. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to also check that part to find a similar path to these settings. On your Android, open settings, then we should go to accessibility. So scroll down. I have stock Android. On stock Android, accessibility located at the bottom in the settings. Enter into accessibility, then scroll down again, and at the bottom you'll find audio adjustment. Tap at this line, and right here we have mono audio. To enable it, you need to tap one time at the slider if the slider have empty background. And to disable it, you need to also tap one time, but if the slider have colorful background. And that's it for Android. Now let's move to iOS. On the iPhone, open settings, and then we should go to accessibility, what located under the general settings. Enter into accessibility, then scroll down, and in the hearing you will find audio and visual line. Tap at this line, and right here at the third line, or if you have iOS 26 at the fourth line, you will find mono audio. To enable it, you need to tap one time at the slider near to it if the slider have empty background. And to disable it, you need to also tap one time at the slider, but if the slider have colorful background. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.